Hey everyone, it is an exciting day here in West Chicago. We promise to keep you updated and look at some of the work that has gone on over the last few months. And today is the day that the walls on this bad boy are going up. It is July 20th. Great progress behind us again for this 200,000 square foot facility, and it is coming along right on schedule. You'll see I got the Morgan Harbor hat on today. They're running a great project here, and we could not be more excited to see the progress. It's fantastic. You see the range setting these panels in place, and it's going to be spectacular. Continue to follow along. We're super excited to keep bringing you the footage, and maybe even a little groundbreaking ceremony coming up here in the next few days. Thanks for checking in. Stay tuned. It's Andrew Block and Lee & Associates. More cool things to come.